Welcome. In this quick guide I will show you how to install Microsoft Office on your Mac. To begin, please open Safari. Now please type in the link shown on screen for direct access. You may be prompted to enter your school email. If so, enter that, then you should be brought to this sign-in page. Enter your school username and password, click the acceptance box, then sign in. You can choose to save your password or not, and click Yes on the Stay Signed In button to continue. Once the page loads, click on where it says Install Office. You will see a pop-up about allowing downloads. Click Allow and wait for the download to complete. This may take a few minutes. Once the download has finished, open the downloaded file. Press Continue and follow along with the video to go through the initial installation steps. When you click Install, you will be prompted for your Mac password. Enter this and wait for the installation to be finished. This may take a few minutes to complete. Once the install is finished, close any pop-ups that have opened and close the installer. Click Yes on moving the file to the bin as well. Now open the app window from the icon in the bottom left. Here you will want to search Word, and then open Microsoft Word. Once it opens, it will ask you to sign in. Click Sign In and enter your school email. Now it will ask for your school username and password. Enter these and click the acceptance box to sign in. Now Microsoft Office will be signed in with your school email. Open a blank document and try to type in a few characters to make sure it works. Now your Mac will be ready to use Microsoft Office at school. Thank you for following along.